Alright guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and I am running one of Crusader Armory TV's weapons. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. He's behind camera, and let him tell us what we got here.
Yeah, so we got the SIG MCX conversion kit on top of a Aero Precision lower. So it's basically a SIG MCX Virtus with an AR lower, die-free co-furniture, EOTech XPS3 on top, with a magnifier, SMS laser, and SureFire light.
All the bells and whistles. Feels pretty good with the AB Raptor 8 suppressor on there. Piston driven. Really love how that thing feels.
Yeah, the recoil impulse is the biggest difference. You know,
yeah.
It feels like a sewing machine. You know.
Absolutely, and no rise. What triggers on that? Felt like it was a two-stage.
It's a SIG Spear LT trigger.
So what was two-stage?
Yeah.
So I don't have two-stage on mine. So yeah, man, this is a great build. No rise. Looks like it felt like it was very well balanced. So really like the setup. Thanks for letting me shoot it, man.
Yes, sir.